Hey guys, today we're gonna do another video and we're gonna go in the woods with my brother.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, it's the woods. It's super far away, you guys. Now let's
Yeah.
go. Let's go. Whoa, I wonder how many of these is marijuana. I bet like 7. Don't mess with me, squirrels. They say trees are living, but this one's dead. Here's some nature facts.
Turtles breathe out their butt.
Animals are also known as McDonald's.
Snails are hermaphrodites.
Whoa, guys, we found a
This is
cliff.
like the second biggest hole I've ever
Let's
seen.
slide down the hill.
Never mind. Trees.
I'm hanging from a tree.
Here's a good example of the hill.
Guys, there's a problem. My sandal fell down the hill.
You gotta get it.
I will.
Okay. If dirt was poop,
Earth would be full of crap.
that black thing is my sandal right there. Lucas,
What?
it's over here.
Gotta eat it.
Okay.
Wait, where is it?
By that twig.
Should I eat it?
No.
Okay.
Walk it up. Don't do it. Don't do it.
You're retarded.
Throw it one more time and see what happens.
I'm fine.
That's what I thought.
Faster!
Okay.
So just lower it down to me. Onto my foot. Lower it down.
Okay, I lowered it.
So, I don't know if you guys realized it, but I got a haircut. And I think it looks a lot better than my old hair knot. You're
cut.
far out in nature when you can only see one highway. Or so. Huge.
No rocks.
Oh, hey, all my school friends just saying I pushed the mason down this one. They knew it was
Careful,
funny.
the sword.
Guys, I think we're on the trail of an animal because I found some corn on the cubs.
Just pick it up.